Welcome back to the Smash Race Ice Age Edition, where things are heating up in the coldest way possible. And here's Mammoth, trying to comprehend the complexities of the scratch map. Any minute now. Any glacial minute now. We could be here a while. Sign no more! Raptor is ahead and jogging across the Mississippi River, the thick, sludgy ice stream that's so cold it puts the brrr in breaking the ice. Blizzardactyl is back with a vengeance. No, sorry, with a Steve. And this is why it's called Life's a Bridge and then you dive. Oh dear, if they hit that river, there'll be Ice Poposaurus in a banana split second! Raptor really skating on thin ice as Mammoth, as he hits the ice. Oh, of course, Steve! It's the blue smasher egg! This means 5 bones for our wingman. Ice Cube Steve gives an iceberg the cold shoulder and awakes the Sub-Zero mosquitoes from High Brrr Nation. Raptor makes the great E-skates as he claws his way to another win! Smash me sideways! Is it a bird? Is it a mammoth? Is it a hairy copter? Blizzardactyl gets the cold gold! Ice Raptor slides into second and Frozen Mammoth choppers into third. And there's Steve on 0 Fahrenheit. That concludes the third round of Smash Race Ice Age Edition. Stay cool, ladies and cavemen. Hit subscribe below for more Smashers content. Greetings, ladies and cavemen, and welcome to Season 3 of Smashers, which takes place 150 million years before Season 1 and 2. Sherpa Steve, how is that possible?
Time travel.
Rhyme dabble?
Time travel.
Slime saddle? We got here different ways. I used time travel. Now, as you'll recall, the winner of our amazingly athletic Season 1 striker, and in the glorious, gross second season, Icesaur. But who will find and claim the Crystal Castle treasure in this, the Smash Race Ice Age Edition?
Mr. Hanber, maybe we shouldn't stand so close to the,
Our ice-cold competitors will use the scratch map to navigate the trapped terrors of Crystal Castle, where the mysterious monster lurks. And the contestants are hatching. Meet the carnivorous clever clogs, Ice Raptor, cool as a cucumber, and the wily winged warrior, Blizzardactyl, quicker than a snotty sneeze coming right at you. And finally, the behemoth of brutality, Frozen Mammoth! So slow we don't need a freeze frame. And they're off! Raptor is fast, but Dactyl has a clear upper wing. Steve meets Arcticape. Arcticape meets Steve. Dactyl smashes expectations and snags the scratch map. Oh, Ice Raptor adds the I in Slime Ball. Classic. But what's next?
Stretchy snow slopes, elementary.
With Dactyl moving at glacial pace. And look, it's Steve! Wow, he is on a roll. At least they're catching up. And that's the ice-cracking first leg, with Ice Raptor in the lead with 5 bones, a fang ahead of Blizzardactyl on second with 3, and Frozen Mammoth on third with 1. Not to mention Steve on life support. Make sure you watch the next leg in our icing race, where our contestants must fight Smashosaurs and avalanches in the dreaded Ice Slime Mountain. Till then, stay cool, ladies and cavemen. Welcome back to the Smash Race Ice Age Edition, and the coolest, craziest, most chilling race in 150 million years! On their path are several hidden blue, glowing eggs, each worth 5 bonus bones. Oh, here they are now. That's Ice Raptor. What an icebreaker! But he seems to have lost the scratch map. And here's Blizzardactyl now. Looks like he's got it all mapped out. The next point is Life's a Bridge. That's Frozen Mammoth throwing shade, and Dactyl is grounded. And what's this? Mammoth seems to have carry-on luggage. A human-sized flea is stuck in his fur. No, it's our man on the ground, Sherpa Steve Derp.
I made it? Cool!
Who seems to have hit his head and forgotten not to scream near avalanche-prone mountains. That's enough to give anyone cold feet. It's a slime avalanche! Raptor spots the finish line. It's a trap! Raptor balls up. Looks like he's getting ready for the Raptor Smash. And yes, he knocks out Angrysaurus. Triceratops aims for Raptor. Raptor's on the horn! Opting for the egg, Dactyl runs into a walking X-ray. It's T-Bones! And our resident bonehead, Steve. Mammoth gets the egg and 5 bonus bones. He should also get 10 for that magnificent strike. And much like on bipedal animals, that's the second leg, with Raptor dragged off on a lead, Mammoth in extremely surprising second place, and lastly, Dactyl, who liked it so much he put a wing on it. Anything can happen here in the Smash Race Ice Age edition, so make sure you catch the next leg, where our contestants have to cross the rickety Life's a Bridge to get to Cliffs of Chill. Till then, stay cool, ladies and cavemen. Hit subscribe below for more Smashers content.